Hey guys, it's been a minute, but I'm going camping by myself today. Am I scared? Yes. Am I excited? Yes. Is this for a paid collab? Yes! Today's sponsor is REI. REI was kind enough to send over everything I needed for my first night of solo camping so that I can get a good night's rest. Okay guys, I made it to the campsite and it's not what I expected, but low-key a little better. Like, I have a whole reserved area. Cars parked there. I'll probably set up camp right here, I'm guessing. And then there's a really beautiful view down there of the water. Let me see if I can zoom in. I'll probably go down there at some point once I get the camp set up, but I'm excited. So let's get things rolling. I had to lose the hat because it was hot, but I think I'm about to set up my tent now. I'm excited. It's so insane to me how I used to watch camping videos, like girls doing solo camping, and now I'm filming one. I've like always wanted to do this, so this is big. This is really big, and I'm really proud of myself because I ate this up. It took me maybe 45 minutes to get everything set up. I low-key ate. Be so for real. I'm about to eat because I'm really hungry and I haven't eaten since like 9 a.m. and it's currently 4:52, so I need to eat something. I've literally been on the phone for the last hour and a half with my mom, Ashley, Jordan, but now I'm gonna go and check out the lake area. hope that I can go down here and not bother anybody. Let's see. My car is currently running because my phone is charging up. I didn't expect to have service, so I wasn't expecting to be on my phone as much, but since I do have service, I want to charge it. I picked the wrong side of the lake. Look at this. That view would have been insane from the tent. What? Oh my gosh. What the heck? Apparently the trail I am currently on is a 9-mile hike. I will not be doing that, but it doesn't hurt to walk a little bit and then just turn around. I look, you want to go get my phone though and turn my car off. I'm gonna do that first. Okay, I got back up here, but then I have to pee, so we're gonna check out the bathroom. This is the bathroom, and I low-key didn't even know that there was going to be a bathroom. I brought tissue paper and wipes and hand sanitizer because I thought I was gonna have to do these things in the wild. But I'm gonna wash my hands now. Good to know, because I'm definitely gonna bring my friends back, like literally within the next 2 weeks. I've done an outfit change because it got chilly and the sun is setting. I didn't end up going on the hike, but I decided that I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning because I don't want the sun to set while I'm on the hike, and that just sounds like a bad idea. But I am gonna try and make ramen. I don't know if it's gonna work. I put hot water in this before I left home. If it's still hot, we're gonna make the ramen. If not, I'm just gonna eat the other half of my sandwich that I had from earlier and call it a night. Bad news. I don't think this is hot enough. That sucks. Well, no. The noodle's gonna be al dente. Maybe if I put more hot water. Oh, that was too much. That was too much. Are the noodles hard? Kinda. Is this ramen cold? Absolutely. Am I gonna eat it? Maybe a little. This feels wrong though, to be eating it like this. Good morning. It is 6:01 a.m. It's so cold. My throat is really dry, but I have to pee really bad, so I'm gonna get up and run to the bathroom. Although I just want to stay in this. It's super foggy and cloudy. The bathroom is so far and I have to pee so bad. Okay guys, it's 8:30 a.m. and I'm about to pack things up because the cold from the night has my nose like running so bad, and I feel like I need like some hot tea so we can get things packed up and go home. But I've had so much fun with you guys camping, and I'm gonna do it again, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and I'm gonna bring my friends with me, and I feel like it'd be such a vibe. But thanks for watching, and I love you guys. Bye.